from the figure here, AB is parallel to DE, AC is parallel to DF. That is, AB means this row, this line is parallel to this line, and also AC is parallel to DF. So here the angle B, this angle is congruent with angle E, and also angle F is congruent with angle C. Here the angle of triangle ABC is congruent with the angle of triangle DEF. So from theorem of angle similarity theorem, we have angle B is congruent with angle E, angle F is or congruent with angle C. Therefore, this triangle ABC is similar with triangle DEF by angle similarity theorem. This is A, B, as these angles are similar. From proportionality of corresponding side, from similarity of corresponding side, we have AB, side AB over side D is equal to BC is over EF is equals to AC over DF. Now we need to find the length of side DF or X. We need to find this length of this side. So from this side proportionality we have here, BC means the sum of these lengths 4 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 16 centimeter. So side BC is 4 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 6 centimeter. This is 20 centimeter. So here BC is given, that is BC. EF is given, that is 10 centimeter. Take this one, BC over EF. This is equals to AC. AC is this one, and the DF is this one. AC over DF. So BC is given, that is 20 centimeter. EF is given, that is 10 centimeter, equals to, this equals to AC. AC is 16 centimeter over DF is X. Now take the cross product of this one, 20 times X, that is 20X is equals to 10 times 16, that is 160. Divide both sides by 20. Now this one is cancelled. Then the length of side X is 8 centimeter.